Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show with you how you can easily change your language on Facebook Ads Manager. So guys, open Facebook that was linked to on your Facebook Ads Manager. After that, go to this icon profile and go to setting and privacy and go to language here. And after that, guys, click on view all setting. And what you have to do, guys, you have this account language, and here you have on the right corner have this option account manager Facebook ads. What you have to do, guys, select the language here, and for example you want to choose any English language, just click this one. For example, this one, click cancel this English, as you can see here. After that, what you have to do, guys, go to ads manager. As you can see here, my ads manager was English. And if you don't work, just click on the mouse right left here and click translate to English. This is how you can do, guys. I have this video up for you. See you on another video soon, guys. Keep watching.